Okay, so I want to show you a couple of really nice Black Friday deals going on at Ace Hardware, and you can get these online. So what they're doing here is they have a Craftsman buy one get two free. This is much better than a buy one get one tool deal, because what they're doing here is if you buy this battery starter kit, and you can see right here it says buy a Craftsman V20 starter kit, get two Craftsman bare tools free. You have to add each of the free tools that you want into your cart manually, and then when you view your cart, you'll see it'll change them all to free, except of course for the starter kit. So this is what you get if you get this starter kit right here with the two of the 2.0 amp hour batteries and the charger, and the price is $129, as you can see up here. Now it's already $20 off, so 13% savings there. So you would add this to your cart. So now we will add this to the cart, and at this point don't do anything else, just say continue shopping, and you'll see you've got your one item in the cart. So now you come back down here, and this link on the right under the promotion says shop all items, and you must add them manually. So this is all of the tools that you can choose from here to get as your two free tools. So it looks like we have a list of 15 tools here as part of this buy one get two free bare tools deal. So here's the first one right here that I just showed you, and we've already got this in the cart. So now you just choose it, whichever one of these you want. And usually the more popular items are going to be, for example, like a jigsaw or a sawzall. And of course you can get the grinder too. But if you notice here, you notice how the grinder is only $59. That's almost like a sucker's bet, because you're paying $129. Wouldn't you want to get something that's as close as $129 as you can get, like maybe the vac? Now, of course, if you need a grinder, yeah, then go ahead and get it. But I'm saying just use a little strategy here and look to see if maybe you need a more expensive tool here. Like, for example, the routers are always going to be one of the most expensive tools. So at $99, I'm going to put a router in there, add that to the cart, and now I'm going to say continue shopping here, and then go back to the shop all items link right here, and then I'm going to add the jigsaw. So we'll pull up the jigsaw and now add that to the cart, and then I'm going to say view cart and check out. So when the cart comes up now, what you're going to see here is there's the battery starter kit that we paid $129 for, and there's our two free tools. You can see it's not charging us anything for the router, and it's not charging us anything for the jigsaw. And then when you look over here, of course, on the left, you'll see they're just kind of confirming the promotion here. Buy a $129 Craftsman starter kit and get two free Craftsman bare tools for free. So this is like one heck of a score, big time. Because right here it's saying the estimated total is going to be only $137 with the shipping and everything. And the total savings, as you can see right over here on the right, is $188.99. So that is a heck of a score right here. So I posted this on our community tab the other day to let people know. I didn't make a video of it until now, but a lot of people already had taken advantage of it on that community post. So now there's another deal from Ace here that I want to show you, that I'll also put the link to it down below in the video description for you. This is it right here. And both of these, I believe, are running until December 2nd. So these do not have any similar expiration dates at all, like Home Depot. But here, there's 10 different results in here from Milwaukee. So if you want a good deal on Milwaukee, they're giving you any of these deals right here for $99. Just choose your poison. And remember, people are always asking me for deals, like, for example, on a crown stapler. So here you go, $99 down from $139. And another one that I like here, of course, is the ratchet. I own this one, and I also own the Ryobi version. Both of these are really nice ratchets, and they're great for like getting into tight spaces on the upper part of your engine. And also I use this for if I ever have to install a dishwasher and you need to adjust those front legs. So if you need to put one of those little 1/4 inch sockets on the end of this and use it to raise and lower the front of the dishwashers, this is an invaluable tool for that. But look, so these normally go for $149, and I showed you in Home Depot store on one of the videos last week, how they sell it in the store for $149 normally. And so this is the time to get these if you want to buy a tool only. Now, this tool, this ratchet, a lot of times shows up as a special buy of the day on Home Depot's website once every few months or so. And you have to buy like some other kit with a bunch of tools, and they throw one of these in free. This is a common free tool that they throw in. But if you don't need to buy any other kits or anything, or you don't have enough money to buy any other kits in order to get this for free, then this is your best shot at getting one right now. You're not going to ever see this go any lower than $99. Okay, and then of course you can get the M18 vac. I have this one. This is the regular one. This is not the M18 fuel brushless one, but this is still a great little vacuum. I use this a lot for sucking out my AC drain line on the outside of the house to unclog it. I go out about once every 2 months or so, and I use that to slurp all the gook out of the line, and it does an excellent job. And this is also useful when you're changing toilets, or if you have to vacuum up at least up to 2 gallons of water. This is a great little vacuum for that. And trust me, I don't really think you need to get the fuel version, but if you want it, you can get it and just pay a bit more. So these are all the different kits that you can get here for $99. So this is the current hot deals that I think are going on right now at Ace Hardware online, and your store, your local store, may or may not have it in stock. So this is why I think you're better off just buying this online and just have it shipped to your house. And by the way, if you have not seen any of the other videos I've put up over the last 2 weeks showing these incredible Black Friday and buy one get one tool free deals that are going on across Home Depot and Lowe's, you need to get over here and check these out. Especially, I want you to come and check out this video here on the $89 DeWalt chainsaw, because this deal comes and goes. It sells out every couple of days, and then they won't have it for a few days and they get it back in. So I tell people to just keep coming back to the video and keep checking these links that I've got here for you. Just check them out every day. Keep checking them several times a day if you have to. And when it comes back in stock, you will see it back in there. So one of the times when you click on the link, you'll see it on there, and you'll see the price. Sometimes they'll tell you you have to put it in the shopping cart in order to get that price. I hope this helps you out with your Black Friday shopping. And thanks for joining us on this one, and keep watching for our upcoming videos, finding more deals, and we'll see you on the next one.